Geometry of the space was triangular in shape and as well as road facing. Generally, we deal with the geometry of rectangular or square in shape. Here, the challenge was to use the facade also as well as to give a clear, regular shaped view to the clients. So we have designed it in such a way that the hair section gets into the facade, so it can be viewed from external also as a branding, and rest of the sections like shampoo stations, manicure, pedicure, then nail station that have been arranged in such a way that clients have easy access. In the same setup earlier, the clients were not having a proper space for reception, waiting and nail section. So while renovating, we have managed to accommodate these spaces also.